Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Umintri rong ba ka jalla u konrat kongkal sangma ula pentip balada ki jing thmu jong ka Sorkar kin urlong shen ka jalla kan sasakhi ya ka jingtei ya ka Shillong Medical College ha New Shillong Township ha ka jing akram bikla pathai khubor u konrat sangma ula yathu ba ka jing sa teng jong ka ni ka jing thmu bantei ya ka Shillong Medical College ka long hadian ba ka Sorkar jalla house Snem 8000 arpuar kala pendam no ya ka soskular ya ngau thu jing mod bat ka company ka bla shimti banshna ya ka ni ka college ka bakong santam jong ka jalla.
College, as you remember, last year the government had cancelled the MOU we had with the earlier partners. I can't remember the name, and that was because for 10 years nothing moved forward, and it was just dilly-dally. And therefore, after that cancellation was done, we have explored different options, speaking to different partners. And different private hospitals to come and work with us. At that point in time, there were one or two people who had approached, and advanced discussions took place. They had asked for certain land to be given to them free of cost, based on which they would then build up the hospital and the medical college and give certain amount of seats to the state government also. And that kind of a model was being pursued. So even now we are in touch with them. So I hope that now that the new government and new minister is there, that we will pursue this aspect once again. We have already allotted, or rather we have already identified, not allotted yet, but identified about 50 acres of land in the new city area where we will ultimately have this medical college. So the talks are on. I hope and I'm very positive that within this year itself, we will see positive results. You see, the way we have observed is that running a medical college is not easy. Apart from having to pay for the running expenditures, which runs at hundreds of crores annually, the availability of doctors and professors also is a huge challenge. And with so many medical colleges coming up in so many different parts of the country today, the chances of good lecturers and good professors coming to our part of the country is lesser, because obviously they will have other options which they may go for. So the competition becomes more. So therefore, from a government point of view, running a college is something that is very challenging, and hence we strongly feel that having a PPP mode is most probably the most idealistic way and proper way to go ahead, because we need to, as I said, not just set it up, we need to run it smoothly and efficiently. And but at the same time, obviously the other side of the story is that the seats then are lesser. But then if we can talk to the people concerned and we can justify the investments made from our side and the costs that are incurred from our side, and based on that we get fair enough seats, then it becomes the best model to move forward in. So therefore, we are in favor of discussing with more private parties, not just the Shillong Medical College, which we are thinking of, but even further than that also, that we are hoping that not just 2, but at the end of the day, 4, 5, 6 medical colleges if can come up, because it is required very much. And for government to run all of this, even to construct all of this, would be huge challenge, and hence the PPP model would be the most practical way to go.